What's up, YouTube? How's it going? Have some candy here. Okay. Ooh, I'm gonna have some more of this later. But so yesterday, I spent the whole day working with the thing. You remember the thing from 2 days ago? The thing. You know, the thing that I was waiting for, the email thing that I was waiting for. Anyway, I spent most of the day doing the thing. And I didn't really vlog. And I know that, which is okay. I vlogged that I found some old footage and made a vlog out of that, which is cool. It came out to be one of my favorite vlogs in a while. A really good vlog. I didn't realize how good it was. I thought I had a throwaway vlog. This is why I didn't put it up earlier. It's from way back when. Anyway, I started editing that around 7 p.m. and by like 9:30, 10, I was exporting and getting ready to put on YouTube. At like 10:45, it was uploading. I'm like, great, in like 20 minutes it'll be up, and then that's it. VEDA 21 is up. Good, awesome. Then it started processing, and somewhere along the lines, it just stopped processing. Like, it literally has been saying 48%, about 16 minutes remaining for the processing for over 12 hours now. Over 13 hours now. I don't even know. Like, that means processing because it's already uploaded. They already had finished uploading and it was processing. So this VEDA is me just talking about the thing and explaining that I technically had a VEDA 21. It just wouldn't process. So I figured now I would tell you about the thing instead of continually calling it the thing because, well, it's a thing that you want to know about, obviously, because I've talked about it way too much, but dang, again. Essentially, okay. Essentially, keep sneezing, it's cool. Essentially, there's no way, there's just no way. Essentially, I got an email for a class. This is what happens when I try to film my house when people are here. This is ridiculous. I have to leave soon, so I have to film when people are here, but I usually don't like doing that. There's like 20 sneezes. That's like sneeze number 20. That's ridiculous. So, anyway, I was invited to... This is unreal. This is literally unreal. So basically, I can't even focus now. See? I can't even focus now. I'm done. I'm done. This VEDA just consists of sneezing. This VEDA is just sneezing. VEDA 30, that'd be pretty cool. You know, do like a talk a little bit and then show how VEDA has gone thus far. I think that'd be pretty cool. If you like that idea or if you have a better idea, please let me know in the comments below. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow for VEDA 23. There will be a video. It won't be like 21. I'll make sure of that. Peace and love, y'all.